Is very important. You have to torque it to spec. So this torque wrench will click when it hits the right thing. Listen for it, it's hard. Sometimes you can miss it, it's easy to miss. Click! And you're done. Welcome to Vice Grip Garage. No, I'm just kidding. We have to get the rear tyre off of this, the Fazer, because it needs its tyre changing. I've tried everything. It's seized fast, so we're gonna go and get some big tools. Let's roll.
So yeah, as I was saying, the axle of the Fazer is stuck fast. I've tried everything. Well, I haven't, which is why we're going to buy tools. I tried hitting it out with a hammer last night, no avail. Spraying it with penetrating oil and spinning the other side. So I was trying to do it with an adjustable hammer, adjustable spanner. No avail. So we're going to buy a breaker bar and some giant sockets, and we're getting it out because I'm on quite a tight time schedule, because the place is expecting me with the wheel. And if I can't get it off, then, well, can't get it done, I guess. I will be back in a moment once I have the tools.
I reckon this should be long enough to persuade her. Let's get home and see what we can do. Right, let's see what we can't get done here, shall we? Oh, fucking hell, she's tight. This axle's in there, this ain't no joke. Admittedly, I forgot to record audio here because I changed to my 360 camera mounted to my bike, but I got the axle off. I had to move the bike once the axle got loose, and because I was in front of my neighbour's house. We did it, boys. We did it.
So the the bike's loaded up. Is it safe? Probably not. Will it fall off? Maybe. Am I going to ride it anyway? Absolutely. Right, she's all done, loaded up. Beautiful thing, let's get home. Your bonnet's open!
So the wheel's back on. I saved you the time that it took me to get it on because I made a mistake. I forgot to put one of the cush rubbers in behind the sprocket. But the wheel's on. Much easier now that the axle's greased. We're gonna line the wheel up, and I'm not sure if I'll be riding today because it rained. It's a summer tyre. That'd be silly to wear it in. But we'll get her on, get her straight, and then we'll be done. I have all my tools. It's only really a 12mm that I need at the minute. Just need to get her back in a little bit. Not all too much, but she definitely wasn't on straight. And now if I peep down the chain, she is still not straight. Now we've got to tighten her up. Unfortunately, because the axle is unseized, that does introduce another problem. Both sides spin now. So I did have to go and buy a size 27 spanner. And then one thing that you do have to do with these, very important, you have to torque it to spec. So this torque wrench will click when it hits the right thing. Listen for it, it's hard. Sometimes you can miss it, it's easy to miss. Click! And you're done. We'll call that good. Thank you for watching. This has been the worst wheel change that we've had to do. It's going to be worse because I didn't grease the axle of the ZX6R when I put it in either, so I guess this will be a two-parter for me struggling. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Ride safe.